Imagine being able to feel electricity, not from wires, not from machines, but from living creatures, even when they're hiding under the sand. That superpower, sharks were born with it. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing animal senses on Earth, the shark's electromagnetic sixth sense. We humans have 5 senses, but sharks? They have a secret sixth sense, the ability to detect electric fields. Every living thing, every muscle twitch, every heartbeat sends out a tiny electric signal. And sharks can sense it, even in total darkness. You see those tiny dark spots on a shark's face? They look like freckles, but each one is a super sensor called the Ampullae of Lorenzini. These gel-filled pores act like underwater electricity detectors. When electric fields pass through the gel, they create signals that travel to the shark's brain like a built-in radar system. How sensitive are they? Here's the crazy part. Sharks can detect electricity as small as 1/1000th of a volt. That's more sensitive than any machine humans have ever built. That means they can feel the heartbeat of prey buried under sand, they can sense muscle twitches from meters away, and they can even detect the Earth's magnetic field like a built-in compass. The hunt, electrosensory targeting. Most animals use sight or smell to hunt, but a shark's electricity sense is the final strike weapon. When a shark gets close to a fish, vision becomes blurry from turbulence, but the Ampullae of Lorenzini, they lock onto that electric heartbeat like a tracking missile. That's why hiding under sand doesn't work. Sharks don't need to see you, they just need to feel you. Sharks use electricity to navigate. Scientists recently discovered something even more incredible. Sharks can use electromagnetic fields to navigate like they have their own GPS system. They use Earth's magnetic field as a guide, helping them migrate thousands of kilometers with insane accuracy. Why? This matters. Science moment. Understanding shark senses helps us build better underwater sensors, protect sharks from fishing gear, and appreciate just how advanced nature really is. Technology copies nature, and sharks are one of Earth's greatest engineers. So next time someone says sharks are scary, tell them they're actually electrical geniuses. Kingdom, subscribe, leave a comment, and join the Facto Fauna family.